Hey, truck drivers out here in YouTube land. I'm sitting up here in Kansas. I'm just chilling. I picked up my load a whole day early. My load don't pick up till 3 p.m. tomorrow. I had 4 hours left. I always drive up to my shipper. Sometimes they let you in early, and they let me in early, man. I'm just gonna be patient and wait till they get this thing loaded. I done got in a whole 12 hours early. I should be able to get this load on my this week check if everything go okay. Yeah, gotta drag this load down to Georgia. My old truck holding me down, man. I used to put a whole lot of parts on them, but it's doing okay right now. Craig always been with me in purchasing vehicles, though. Yeah, this past ice storm that we had taught me how to pick my loads. You know, always going for those 3-day loads. That's not the best thing to do all the time, you know. So I need to get my hazmat. There's a lot of hazmat loads that need to be done. I need to work on getting that. It's always something to do over here in the USA. Run around like a chicken with your head cut off. I remember when I spent my 2 weeks in the Philippines. It's boring. The first week I had things to do. The next week, it's kind of chill, you know. It gets kind of chill over there. Boring real quick. It ain't nothing wrong with that. You go overseas, you know. Life is a lot slower. I'll be 50 years old in May. Oh, I got about 15, 17 more years of work before I shut down somewhere. I don't know where yet. Yeah, Creator's been with me on these byways and highways, you know. Everybody stay blessed out there. I'm going to let this go.